making money, they would quit it. The words are feces, it'll sprout a sown seed, but without water or sunlight, it will wither out of sight. You're listening to that spiritual enlightenment from the sun, solar power, evangelistic. Don't be just another brick, you're still alive. Hear me without itching ears, pop music is genocide. Stereotype and meant for stereo, surround your mind with music made to increase your brain's payload. What goes in it will come out. You can try to hide it, but you'll fail without a doubt. That's why they die lacking good nutrition. That's why I'm on a musician. Get off the fence, change your position. Listen. You better watch all the words you say. You act like they mean nothing. All the power of death and life, so you better speak them right. Watch your mouth with all the words you say, acting like they mean nothing. There's power in the death and life, so you better say them right. I'm lyrical, somewhat literal, and so I'll power up my lyrics now to help you grow. Expose the truth even when you don't want to know. How can I lead you if I won't go? I won't cuss in these songs, nor curse on your life. I'll discuss in the verse with sharp words like a knife. Set in sin, but made free unnaturally. That's the way to be, not stuck in sin. Unable to get out, killing yourself because there's a drought. Depending on items when you have doubt. Living life as a crook on the wrong route.
And if you're wondering about the Band-Aid, it's because I bumped my head. Getting food out the refrigerator. Yeah. Anyway, this is the NZXT H630. Yeah. Who knows where this is going?
You need a man undefeated in every bout. Even death lost its sting. What's that about? I'm referring to Mr. Whiteout. He made a deal with everyone. Are you in or out? Before your last check out. That's what I'm talking about. You better watch all the words you say. You act like they mean nothing. All the powers in them death and life, so you better speak them right. Watch your mouth with all the words you say, acting like they mean nothing. There's power in them death and life, so you better say them right. They're empty and fickle, they'll make you sick. I'll hit your mind with the lyrics I spit. What is it that they want you to do? Put your hands up, do their dance, get drunk in their venue. Spend all that money balling to impress whom? Won't take care of a job, but wants to play at the door of a womb. Will life get better from that experience? Have you found a new view to carry on with balance? It's impossible to serve two masters with a single mind. A double-minded human is unstable all the time in all his ways. Think about your future, how will you better your days? With what you say, how many lives will be touched with those words? Bring them upwards, not backwards or downwards. Are there records? Are there faith and work onward towards standards? Your faith shows your works, which in turn shows your innards. You better watch all the words you say. You act like they mean nothing. All the powers in them death and life, so you better speak them right. Watch your mouth with all the words you say, acting like they mean nothing. There's power in them death and life, so you better say them right. Upon further inspection, you've misused most words, butchered the definition in your so-called sentence.